Buttons are more than just clickable elements. They guide your visitors and drive action. In this video, we are exploring the advanced button block from Blocks, which lets you create stunning, highly customizable button for your WordPress site. Whether you want dual buttons, icons, hover effect, I'll walk you through all. So let's get started. Before we start, make sure the default WordPress Gutenberg block editor is active on your site, and make sure to install the Blocks free plugin. Step 1. Install and activate the Blocks free plugin. To do that, go to Plugins, click on Add Plugin. Then in the search bar, search for Blocks. This is the plugin. Click on Install Now. Once done, click on Activate. Step 2. Activate the advanced button block. To do that, go to Blocks, then Blocks, and search for advanced button. This is the block. Enable it and click on Save Settings. Let's see the advanced button block from Blocks. In the style section, you will find multiple predefined styles. With each option, you can add unique style to your button, as you can see over here. So let's stick with this one for now. From the title field, you can add the text of the button. For some button style, you will find an additional text field. For example, this one. Here, you will have an extra title field. From here, you can add an extra title to the button. From the alignment, you can align the button. From the icon type section, you can add an icon or image. As you can see over here, for icon, you can add font awesome icon or dash icons. So let's continue with the image for now. From the model pop-up tab, you can open a pop-up by clicking on the button. To do that, enable the Enable Pop-up on Click toggle. Then from the Select Template, you have to select a pattern, or you can click on the Create Pattern button to create a pattern. Then from the Accessibility tab, you can add an ARIA label to the button to improve the accessibility of the button. In the Style tab, you will find all the styling options required to customize this button. From the Typography section, you can adjust the typography of this button text. From here, you can adjust the font family, font weight, font size, text transform, font style, text decoration, line height, letter spacing. You can also add a global typography from here. Then from the text color, you can adjust the text color of the button. From background, you can add a solid background or a gradient background, or you can add a background image as well. Let's stick with the background color for now. You can add a border radius, box shadow as well. You can add all these options for normal and hover states. From the padding section, you can add a padding to the button. From the extra title typography, you can adjust the typography of this additional text. Keep in mind, this option will be only available if you select the appropriate button style where you have this extra title option. From the icon tab, you can adjust the icon position. You can place the icon before the text or after the text. From vertical position, you can change the position of the icon vertically. This vertical position option is also available for the button style where you have this additional text. From icon spacing, you can adjust the spacing between the text and the icon. From the icon size section, you can adjust the icon size. From the extra options tab, you can adjust the button width. By enabling the interval shake toggle, you can add a shake effect on the button that will play after a certain interval. In the duration field, you can set the interval. From the content hover effect toggle, you can add a hover effect to the button. From the select effect drop down, you can select the hover effect. In the fancy box option tab, from the overlay color section, you can adjust the background color when the fancy box pop-up is open. From the width, you can adjust the width of the pop-up. This fancy box option is only available when you have enabled the Enable Pop-up on Click toggle. In the Advanced tab, you will find additional styling option to control the styling of the container containing this button. We have covered this in a separate video. So that's it for the advanced button block. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and do subscribe to the channel for more content like this.